Welcome to Mutual Fund Family.
Log on to mutualfundfamily.com for more info.
Yeah, hi. So we have just undergone a definitional change which is being imposed by SEBI, where they have defined large cap, mid cap and small cap. So we have opted for the large and mid cap as it offers more latitude and flexibility in operating the fund. Clearly, I think so nothing else changes. The underlying strategy would be to outperform the index, number one, and also look at reasonably good growing companies available at a reasonable price. So the overbearing and at the heart of the strategy would be GAP, which is growth at a reasonable price, and we continue to follow that. Stock selection would come from 3 or 4 avenues. Number one would be our own in-house research. Number two would be when you meet companies, when you meet various suppliers and so on and so forth, particularly relating to a company. You get names and you get leads regarding a particular sector or a company, as the case may be. Lead number 3 would be where we get broker research, and lead number 4 is of course what you kind of come out with screens, and you have various stock selection criteria. So you kind of match up screens and come out with a final list, and after going through the numbers, you decide where and what kind of deserves the positioning in light of the new SEBI guideline. So this is how the positioning would be done. Currently the portfolio is slightly defensive oriented, especially given the light of in light of the rhetoric that is going around globally for protectionism, and hence I think so one needs to protect capital, and the overbearing rules don't change. So rule number 1, protection of capital. Rule number 2, growth. Rule number 3, possibly as an outcome, should be also outperformance of the underlying, which is the benchmark. I think there is no particular disadvantage for this size as things stand today. The size would get overbearing only beyond, let's say, $1 billion, or because our markets are not very liquid, and then particularly when you want to buy sell certain small cap or even certain mid cap names, I think the liquidity is an issue and there is an impact cost. We do take into account all of these before either buying or selling.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe Mutual Fund Family.